Helo, shwmae, a chroeso nôl I Ddydd Mercher Cymraeg. Hello, shwmae, and welcome back to Welsh Wednesdays. Are you an apprentice currently working in llety garwch, hospitality? This is the episode for you. We are back to the Iaith and a Gwaith series, Workplace Welsh. I am about to teach you a handful of useful Welsh phrases that you can really use as an apprentice working in hospitality. Barod? Let's go. Bwrdd I ddau, table for two. Dyma'r fwydlen. Here's the menu. Ydych chi'n barod I archebu? Are you ready to order? Beth hoffech chi? What would you like? Oes gennych chi unrhyw alergeddau? Do you have any allergies? Mwynhewch eich bwyd. Enjoy your food. Ydych chi'n barod I dalu? Are you ready to pay? Cerdyn neu arian parod? Card or cash? Diolch yn fawr. Hwyl. Thank you. Goodbye. And there you have it, some useful Welsh phrases for you as an apprentice working in llety garwch, hospitality.